What's up, everyone? All right, welcome to the stream. We are going to be doing some more backtesting today. However, we're actually simulating a live trade right now. Normally, don't trade around this time. It is exactly 2 minutes, well, almost 3 minutes past noon. Yeah, I just opened up my chart to get ready for this and saw there's a big massive candle here. And I just remembered there's some news going on right now, so just thought I'd simulate a trade using the rules of our strategy. It just so happened that after this candle, we got the signal to buy. But yeah, we'll keep an eye on that. I mean, this is mostly just for fun, you know. But kind of what I wanted to do today is go over the results of the back testing that we had been doing the last few times. And so basically what we did is we backtested our strategy for the entire year of 2023. And I'm going to pull up the results to that. So we can kind of keep an eye on this. Remember, we're in a buy, so we want that to go up. We can see our P&L for the trade right there. I don't know how well you can see that, but there it is. We're up a little over 4,000, give or take. Anyway, so these are all of the trades that we back tested for the year of 2023 using our strategy and trading 10 lots per trade. We ended up, if we'd done 10 lots per trade, we would have had a profit of 185,230. Now keep in mind that does not take into account spreads or commissions. I don't believe they really have commissions on gold, at least on the brokers I use. But they do have spreads, so take into account some spreads, you're probably looking more around 150,000 roughly, give or take, but it's still really good. I was looking at kind of the results, seeing if I could piece some patterns together. Keep an eye on this trade. I think the biggest thing, I kind of looked at a couple different things, like what our trade win rate would be and our P&L would be if we only took trades at the first part of the 10-minute candle, or the second part, or if I only did the trade at 7:30 or 30-minute post plus one. Didn't really get any convincing results doing that. So wow, this is really moving. I don't know, I can't remember what the news was, but we're up over $5,000. Man, I wish I'd placed that for real. Anyway, we're not just backtesting, we're in a live trade. Paper money, it's not real. Anyway, but the biggest thing I noticed is the number of times we hit our max loss. I think it was like around 50 or close to 50. So, and there were 883 trades total. And so that's a lot of money hitting our max loss. Every time we hit a max loss, it's negative $5,000. And another big thing we discovered is the max drawdown potential. So this drew down just over 38% at one point. And that's, assuming that we're trading about $100,000 account. So, based off of $100,000 account, trading one lot per $10,000 of account size, we're assuming that we would have drawn down the account in 23 with this strategy about close to 40%. So, coming up with strategies in money management in a live account, whether you're using a prop firm or your own personal account, that's kind of what we're looking to come up for strategies for. So, if our maximum drawdown with the parameters of 10 lots at $100,000 account, it's 40%. And if we want to keep our maximum drawdown to about 10%, then we're only going to be trading 2.5 lots, assuming about a $100,000 account, and so on. And you can make adjustments depending on your account size and what your comfortable risk is in terms of what possible maximum drawdowns is. But what I want to do today is actually get more data. I think what we're going to do at some point is we're going to take a closer look at the trades where we're hitting our max loss and seeing what sort of patterns there are. One pattern I did notice we could take a look at on the trades that do tend to lose a good amount is when the big blue with the big blue TNT line switches in the middle of the trade, and then the orange line follows, or other way around, I guess. And that tends to be when we start running into possible problems with this trade. So I think what we're gonna do, instead of back testing the full year again, we're just gonna go back to what we did before, where we back tested a full 100 days, random days. Let me see if I can find that back test. Where is it? Hang on. Let's see. Is this it right here? Okay, more. Oh, that's just the morning. No. Hang on, I need to find it. Oop, gotta keep an eye on this. That's our new standard right here. And this will make more sense what I'm doing here as we get further into the video. But it's what we've been doing the whole time. We're about to get our 10-minute post here, so we'll see what happens with the TNTs, and then we'll decide what to do at that point. $4,000 here. We were up quite a bit more, probably close to 10,000 right there, at least 8,000. 119. Okay, here it is. So with 100 random back tested days, we had some pretty good results. So 23 actually did a little bit worse than what we were expecting to happen, based off of our random 100 days. But we're going to do the random 100 days again, and we're going to tweak our rules as far as our exit strategy. So I'll go over the strategy real quick, what we've been doing, and kind of show you what we're going to do to change it from moving forward in our back testing. So so this is actually buy signal right here. So when our TNT lines are, I got my orange up, I got my big blue up and dotted blue down, that's a signal to buy. So basically I want my orange and my big blue facing the direction, and the dotted blue facing the opposite direction. We take a trade in the direction of the orange and the big blue. So sell would be opposite. And then our exit strategy is different depending on whether we're in profit or running a negative trade. And we'll go over that when we actually hit some get into the trading, some of the specifics. But basically, if the orange and dotted blue flipped opposite from where we were on the entry, then we would close it, no matter where it was, whether we're lost or in profit. And if we were in profit, then we would close the trade when the candle closed below. In the case of a buy, if we closed below the buy of the previous candle, if our TNT lines were no longer still showing bullish patterns. If they are still showing bullish patterns, we do what we just did here, where we raise up our standard. It's kind of like a pseudo entry. We treat above it as profit. We treat below it as negative P&L. That's kind of how we treat it. It's like a pseudo entry. But this is kind of cool that I just hopped on and kind of saw that the gold was reacting to some news that happened at noon here Mountain Time. Decided to take a trade off of it, and it's going pretty good so far. Pretty cool that that it's doing so well too. I didn't do it in my live account because I've never done this strategy outside the times that I've been backtesting. So I'm not going to risk that sort of unknown. Something that I know doesn't work. may or may not work. All right, let's get this copy and paste it here. Set my new, oops. Oh, weird. Oh, I see what's happening. That's why. Set up a new page. I'm just setting up my new back testing page. All right. All right, let's just run this straight out and see how this does, and then we'll get going on our back testing. Trying to decide where I want to put my mic. Right there's fine, I guess. Okay, so we are closing below the body of the previous candle here, most likely. And we're still in buying mode, according to our T&T, so we'll just move up our standard or our pseudo entry. See if we can go for some more. 12 seconds left. Okay. Move up our standard. Okay, so now we're treating everything above this line right here's profit and everything below as negative, even though our actual entry is right here. The idea is that it's kind of like starting a new trade. So the only way we close below this line is if our orange and dotted blue line completely go opposite from where they are right now. I actually like these different screens. Yeah, I like that more. Oh, man. You know what? I'm actually having second thoughts about starting a whole new... oh, man. Starting a whole new back testing session, because these are all the trades that I took for the year of 23. And it would just be a big pain in the butt to have to... if I wanted to analyze some of these and find some patterns, it would be... I guess the thing I'm analyzing would be the same thing that I'm about to back test. So I have this saved on a spreadsheet, so yeah, we'll stick with the plan. But yeah, we're just watching this trade, seeing how it does. Okay, we're back above the standard line. Whew. 2.5 minutes left on my 10-minute chart here. Oh, by the way, 10 minute, 1 minute. in case you were wondering. Yeah, we're in this position with our TNTs. We're not, the only action we're going to be doing is moving our standard line until something changes there, which I'm going to guess what's probably going to happen is the the big blue line is going to flip. In which case, if we are below our standard line, we will close the trade when we can post above it, the first count that posts above it. If we're above our standard line, if that flips, then it's business as usual. We close the trade when when we close below the body of the previous candle. If we move back under, then we're gonna wait for it to post back above again. So right now we are under. Show that open order right there. Okay, 50 seconds left on the 10-minute post. So when that happens, our TNT lines will have an update. Okay, 10 seconds. Oh, okay. So this is interesting. So this did flip, but so did everything else. So in this case, we're gonna wait for this candle to post, and we will actually just close the trade since these two flipped. And this would, if we were during normal trading hours, this would actually be a close your trade and then take a trade in the opposite direction. Which heck we might do just for fun, since I mean we're just practicing right now. It kind of stinks though that we were up like $8,000 over here and we're down to 1,500. But hey, that's 1,500 that we wouldn't have had otherwise, or rather, 1,200, 1,300. It's moving. So we'll close this at the post, and then we'll actually take a sell. And then we'll just move on. All right, close that, sell. Okay. All right, well, that's just for fun. I should probably just open up a new window so we can keep track of both. All right, I'll just move this to. Oh, man, it's not really a good place to put this. All my screens are occupied. I guess I could have a small. Have it small right there. Anyway, put on night mode because day mode is nasty. All right, well, let's just get to it. So the first day we're going to be back testing. And again, these are the same days that we did previously. We're just tweaking some of the rules for our exit strategy when we're in a loss. I guess technically not even if we're in a loss, just more hard rules whether we're in a loss or in profit on when to exit a trade. So 5/12 of 23 is going to be the first day, and we're going to be trading from 7:31 a.m. to 9 a.m. Mountain Time. Taking all the trades. That sell that we're simulating is actually doing pretty good. It's moving down. All right. So let's get to it. All right. Have a buy right here. Orange up, big blue up, dotted blue down. That's my buy signal. Okay. All right. Deleting all of my previous trades here. There's 883 of them. Peak was 200 and I think it got up to like almost 220 at one point. Wow, this is taking a long time to delete for some reason. Buy trades. It's okay, I have a spreadsheet. Saved all that info. Well, while that's happening, our trade here is up 3,400. So that's doing good. Whoa! Where'd it go? Light thing? Oh, yeah. Why? Oh, that'd be fun. Okay, all those trades are gone now. Okay, so we're taking a buy. There it is. Okay, now we're gonna move up our standard right there. Okay, all right, now our orange, or sorry, our blue flipped on the very next candle, so we're gonna close this trade if we can post above our standard line. Now, new rule, if we get a flip here and if our orange flips as well, then we will close the trade. Just hard rule. All right, we posted above, so we'll close that. First trade of the year, or first trade, 1,350 profit. All right, gotta move our standard here on this trade that we're monitoring. It's still up, but it's kind of drawing back a little bit. All right, and then on to the next trade, which is a sell right here, down, down, up. That's our sell. Looks like it's up based off of news. So I'm going to have some volatile movements there. Keeping close on my TNTs, making sure I'm not missing anything. Move our standard down right there. TNT still bearish. Okay, our blue flipped. And we are going to close right here. So another good trade. On to the next. Okay, that's 9 o'clock. All right, 2 wins, 0 losses. You can record that. P&L of 611. All right. Next day is 4/21 of 23. Here's our other trade. So it went down, which is good. A little bit of pullback. Moved our standard here. Now we're moving back down. TNTs are still bearish, so we're sticking to it for now. All right, and we are getting a sell signal, very first thing. Ooh, don't want to do 2. The very open. Whoa, it still did 2. Why did it do that? But it looks like we're going to hit our max loss, but let's get accurate. Why would it do that? Why would it? Very confused on why I would get a... This would be pointing down. Why is that pointing down? Oh, because... Hey, that's kind of weird. Anyway, got a sell there. And this is going to be a max loss, I think. Yep, there it is. All right, on to the next trade. Which is a buy. Right here. Very nice. Okay, we're still have bullish TNT line, so we're going to just move up our standard. Okay. Okay, we did get a flip here. So just business as usual as far as when we close. Since okay, there we go. We'll close that right there. So $10,500 trade right there. After a $5,000 loss. So it's nice to make up some ground. Take a sell now. Okay, move our standard. TNTs are still bearish. Okay, now we got a flip. We are underneath our standard, which is where we want to be, so business as usual. There we go. Close that out for a $5,000 profit. On to the next, which is a sell right here. That's up, that's up, that's down. That's our buy signal. Okay, still keeping an eye on my TNT lines. Still bullish. Okay, now they flipped. So they flipped right here. Everything flips, so we're just going to close out for a loss there in that trade. So 2 and 2, 9,400 in a day. That's good. Okay, now we're at a total of 16,480. Where'd my other window go? Okay, we're still in the money here. Our dotted blue flipped. That doesn't change anything in terms of our exit strategy, unless we close above the body of the previous candle while we're in profit. So we're keep an eye on that. Next day is 10/17/23. Okay, we're getting a buy right here. Okay, hold on. Got to move our standard. Okay, our blue flipped, so we are in profit. So, okay, we'll close it out right there. Bloop. Still keeping an eye on this live trade we're simulating. Oh, man. Something happened. Weird. Okay. All right, everything flipped, so we're going to go ahead and close that, technically, for a $30 loss. Okay, we can close that now. We can focus up on this now. Oh. Okay, on to the next. Okay, there's a sell. Okay, all right. So this is our new boom. So this is our normally we'd wait for these to be completely opposite to close this trade, but we're changing the rule to where if our orange and big blue are now facing the same direction opposite of the direction we want the price to go, then we're gonna just have a hard rule to close it out right there, and hopefully that's gonna mitigate some of the bigger losses to where we're gonna be overall more profitable and hopefully significantly more profitable. Although you can't complain about $185,000 in a year. But it just not that I'm looking for more total gross profit, but more we're looking to be able to have a smaller maximum possible drawdown so that we can do some money management strategies that are going to be a little bit more beneficial when we're looking to do some prop firm trading or challenges and things like that. All right, on to the next. All right, we're getting a sell now. Okay, blue flipped. We're in the money, so business as usual. Close it out right there. Did I? Let's see, 1017. Okay, okay. We're still good. Oh, wait. Yeah, the blue flipped, sorry. Okay. 2 wins, 1 loss. 3,640. Let's see, one of these says 16,480. Wait, what? Oh, drawdown. Oh, interesting. Hang on, I need to. I need to fix something on my. Ow. Yeah, darn it. I can fix that later. I do need to add one thing, though, on my chart that I'm recording on. Some. Okay. And I want one right here as well. So I don't have to scroll down all the time. That number. Okay. Okay, 3640. 19,510. Okay, cool. All right, 1, 2 of 20s next. All right, so now that you got kind of the gist of that, we're just going to blast through and get through this as quick as we can. So I'm not going to be talking as much unless you guys are inclined to ask questions. Take a bye here. Okay, close this out, and we are actually going to go the other way. So overall, small profit on that. We're going to go down now. Okay, blue flipped here. Okay, sorted orange. So we're going to just go ahead and close that. Hey, we're actually getting a buy signal here, so we'll close that and go see if we can go up now. Which it does. TNT still bullish. Okay, our blue flipped. All right, we'll close it out right there for 3,100. On to the next, which is a sell right here. Okay, that one right there. Okay, our blue flipped. Okay, we're going to go ahead and close it out right there since we're actually getting a buy signal now. So close it out for a small loss. Go the other way. Okay, we could still get up there maybe. All right, our orange and dotted blue flipped opposite, so we'll close that for a loss as well, for an overall profit of 28.70. 3 wins, 2 losses. So after 4 days of back testing, we're up $22,000. On to the next day, July 8th of 2021 is next. Okay, we got to sell first thing. Do our standard. TNT still bearish. Move it down. Okay, let's see if we can go for some more here. All right, we got the blue flip there, so we'll close that out for a profit of 44, almost 4,500. On to the next, which is a buy right here. Okay, so this is previously we'd keep going, but new rules, we're going to close that out right there. So let's see what happens. Yeah, I think that's good. We did get a sell signal though, right there. So mitigate a little bit of a loss there. Oh, hang on. Okay, orange, my small lines did flip, so we're going to close that out. Okay, small profit. On to the next day. Let me record this. 1 win, 2 losses. That is profit of 590. We're up 22,610 now. 1230. They got a buy right here. Still bullish TNTs. They're staying it. Okay, we're actually getting a sell signal now. So that's a decent sized loss right there. Okay, our blue flips will close it out since we're closing back below our standard. See if we can get a buy right here. Okay, our orange and blue are now pointing the opposite way, so we'll close that out there as well. And right when we do that, we actually get a sell signal, so we mitigated a small loss right there. Extra loss at least. Okay, we're getting a buy signal now. Okay, nope, that's the end of the day, so we'll close that out for a loss. Okay, so first red day. 1 win, 3 losses, minus 2970, 19640. All right, have a buy first thing. Okay, our close below the body of the previous candle. Our dotted blue is facing the other way now, so we'll close that for a profit. On to the next. Here's a buy. Okay, blue flip, so we'll close that. Gonna get a sell, yep, right there. New standard. Okay, we're starting to move away. Okay, we're actually getting a okay, no, just blue flip, so we're going to close that since we closed below our standard for profit. So that's good. Good day so far. All right, no, that's actually the day, so 3 winners. 77.20, we're at 27,360, profit now 27,260 after 7 days of back testing. Lovely. Lovely, lovely. All right, buy first thing. Okay, our blues flipped. So if our orange flips as well, then we'll close it. Okay, hang on. Double check here. All right, we flipped right here, so we're going to close it right there. So we're closing above our entry. All right, awesome. Could have got a good amount more there, but we're just following the rules of the strategy. Okay, I have a sell here. Okay, our blue flips, so if orange flips as well, we'll exit. Okay, so it does flip right there. It is pointing up, so we'll go ahead and close that. Ah, darn. Okay, so that one actually would have been a winner. A small one, at least. But I think this should mitigate some of the bigger losses as we go a little further down the road. Deeper into our back testing. All right, so orange and blue flip, so we'll close that. All right, 1 winner, 2 losses. Minus 25, 9, 20, 11, 12, 20. All right, have a buy. Okay, blue flipped. We were already in profit, so business as usual. Sweet. All right, close out right there. Okay, have a sell now. Whoa. Okay, our orange is still down. Our blue flipped. So if we can get back to our entry, we'll close. Or if this happens, we'll close for a loss. Our orange pointing up with the blue. And you know what? That's actually a buy signal when we close that too. So we'll go ahead and go the other way. Okay, we're getting a sell signal now. Jeez. Oops. Sell. Yikes. Ah, yikes. All right. $12,622 is next. Jeez. Where's this merry-go-round? Alright, there's a winner. Ooh, big winner. Oh, buddy. It wants to go for more. Alright. Actually getting a buy signal now. Alright, so we clawed back and made some. Gonna go the other way now. Okay, orange and big blue flip, so we'll just close that out to basically break even. Glad we did. Now we're getting a sell right here. And our thin lines flipped. So we'll close that for a loss on that trade. All right, and that's the day. So still up. 2 wins, 3 losses, up 1,010. After 10 trading days, we're up 21,570. And we're now going to 225 F21. All right. Yeah, we'll close that. Yeah. So this flipped on the candle that we moved back above our standard line, just barely. So per the rules, we close that trade. No, not clone. Could have got more. That's okay. Oh, hang on. Yep, and close right here. That's a really good trade. How much is that? So 2,200 and then 6,700. Be happy if that happened. Okay, getting another buy here. Barely move up our standard there. Yikes. Ooh, ooh, ugh. And then we hit our max loss. All right, have a sell now. Oh boy. Ooh, 2 max losses in a single day. Ah, we're not going to be able to make that up either. Darn. So we were up 8,000 and ended up losing 1,000. Ooh. And I'm saying how that'd be a great day, and then all of a sudden you lose it all. So that would actually, in real life, that would, well, in a live account, that would really suck. Okay, so 2 and 2 minus 60. Okay, so these are our results so far. So again, 100 random trading days just randomly generated previously, and we're up 20,500 so far. We're just doing even 10 lots per trade here, so I wonder how this stacks up against what we were doing before. Next day, 7/11 of 22. Man, that was a roller coaster. Okay, our orange and okay, so our small lines flip, so we'll close that out for a small overall profit there. Probably for the best since this price action is so wonky. Okay. Our dotted blue is not facing the right way anymore, so we'll close that trade for a small profit there. Dotted blues facing the same way. Never going to take a trade in that scenario. All right, taking a buy now. Okay, close that out for another small profit since our blue flipped and we closed above our entry. We could have got some more, but that's all right. We're just no one ever went broke taking profits. As my, well, I guess he's not a friend. I don't really know the guy personally, but another options YouTuber, Marcus Heitcutter, as he says, no one ever went broke taking profits. So even though you could have gotten more, just be happy you made a profit. All right. Okay, there's a buy there. Okay. Orange isn't quite wanting to get there, so if our blue flips, we'll close this most likely. Yeah, we'll close that, and we're actually going to take a sell now. Go the other way. And our dotted blue is no longer facing the right way, so we'll close it out right there too. And okay, that's the day, so small loss. 521. Interesting. I mean, that is still down, barely. It's close though. Yeah, man. You know, I'm gonna say that's barely pointing up, so we'll go ahead and close since we passed our standard line there. Trying to be as okay, well that would have been a little more obvious right there. Trying to be as precise as possible with back testing. Last thing you want to do is fudge your back testing results just to find out the hard way in a live market. Okay, we could get back up. Okay, we're going to close that for a loss and go for a sell. Or we'll just go up. Okay, small lines flipped, so that's a close for a loss. Let's see if we can get one more trade and claw back some of that. Yeah, it's not looking good. Or we'll dang, or we'll just hit our max loss almost. Okay, so that wasn't a good day. Okay, 6,800. 11, 17, 21. Okay, after 14 trading days, we're up 13,970. So we've drawn it down from 27 to 14, basically. So $13,000. Ooh, there's a buy in there. There's a buy right there. Okay. Yeah, I guess we move up our standard. Okay, and we're going to close out for a small loss there and go the other way. Of course, it goes up. And our blue or small lines did flip right here, so we'll close that for a loss as well. On to the next, which is a sell right here. Move our standard line. Okay, our blue flipped. So if we can get back to our standard line, we'll close it. Come on, get there. Oof, come on. There we go. All right. Could have gotten a lot more there. Coulda, shoulda, woulda. 530 of 23. Nice. That's a good little one. Little trade there. On to the next. Take a sell. All right, we are getting a signal to buy, so close that and go the other way. Ah, of course it goes back down right when I do that. Okay, so you can get some 9 o'clock magic. Come on, let's get above our entry. Oh, hang on. Dotted small lines. No, we're good actually. Ha. And we're actually gonna stay in this since our lines are our TNTs are still are bullish. So and we're actually gonna move up our standard. What a roller coaster of a trade. All right, close it out right there. Okay, awesome. So that was a bit of a roller coaster, but we stuck with it. $11, 16, and 22. Okay, I have a sell right here. Okay, our blue is facing the other way, so we'll close out for a profit. And good thing we didn't, because boom, we're actually going to take a buy. Come on, get up there. Okay. Orange and big blue are facing the same direction, in the wrong direction, so we'll close that out. Hopefully that mitigates bigger losses. Okay, we're taking the sell now. Okay, interesting. All right here, our small lines flip, so we'll close that. Hard rule is just to close wherever you are if that happens. All right, we have a buy. Okay, moving our standard. All right, close that out since our blue flipped. All right. Still have some time left. See if we can get another trade. Right there. Take a sell. Yikes. Huh. Interesting. Okay. Okay, now we close it. All right, so small winning. Small winning. Small. Green Day. It's green. That's all we care about. All right, 114 of 20. There, jeez. Okay, I'm getting a buy here. I actually really like getting trades in the opposite direction when there's like a pullback, because it just feels like you're getting a better entry. See? Awesome. Okay, there's a sell. All right, close it out there. There's a buy. I don't love it for a couple different reasons. All right, our big blue flip, so we'll just close it out. Get above our entry right there. And that's the day. All right, so good day. 3 wins. 11, 5, 20, 20. And again, these are just randomly generated days. We have back tested this set of 100 days a couple times, but I mean, obviously I can't memorize. There's no way to memorize what happens on each of these days. So this is legit. Just taking the trades whenever there's a signal to do so. Ooh, see, okay. All right, yeah, we'll close that out. The big blue flipped. Actually, looks like we could have got some more. That's okay. Could have got a lot more, actually. Ooh, 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 getting buys. All right, there's a buy. Oh, $7,600 trade. Bueno. Oh, interesting. You know, I actually need to go back and redo this one since we actually had an earlier exit into a sell. So let's see if we can get perfect execution in our back testing here. Right. Yeah, right there. Okay, Okay, hang on. So right here. Oh, no. Nope, we just moved up our standard right there. That's right. And then we went up. Okay, so right there? Weird. Okay, so even though we're still going up, right here we just got a signal to sell. So actually going to take this trade for a profit of 8,300, close it out there, and then go for a sell, because that is what the indicators are telling us to do. The indicators are indicating. Okay, and we'll close it out. That would have been a $3,000 trade. Have some time left. And we're actually going to go for a buy right here. There we go. Heck yeah. Okay, we're actually going to move up our standard here and go for a little bit more here. Hopefully a lot bit more. Okay. Closed out right there. Our blue. Ooh, nope, no sell. Big blue TNT line flip, so we'll close out right there. Okay, wow. $1,700 day. 1760. And again, we're just back testing our strategy. These random days. And with that, after 20 days of back testing, well, sorry, 19 days, we are up $35,240. So it's, I mean, I know this is going to be profitable just because of our previous back testing, but hopefully, you know what, let's actually compare how it's stacking up so far. So 19 days into this. Now, if we go back to our sheet before we tweak the rules, so 19 days. Okay, so we're actually doing a little bit better. So 31,270 compared to 35,000. So we are doing a little bit better. The biggest thing is I'm hoping we're able to mitigate large drawdowns by this rule that we're tweaking here. All right, next day. 3/31/2023. I'm actually going to run behind me, grab a drink real quick. The drink today is going to be a white gummy bear rain, which I think is my all-time favorite energy drink right now. Get around my mic here. Okay. All right, we're getting a sell first thing. So again, orange, dotted blue opposite, big blue going with orange. That's our signal to take a trade. Ooh, almost hit our max. Hey, we're back in the money as if it never happened. In fact, we're going to move up our standard. Okay, and we'll close it out right there. That would have been a wild ride. On to the next. All right, take a buy here. Oh, you know, I need to switch something. Trade screen. No. That's the one I want. There we go. Best joke and comments win. Or chat. What did I do? I took a buy? Okay, we're in a buy. Okay, we're still in it. Woo-wee. All right. Okay, we are going to close that for a loss. Go the other way. Go for a sell now. We're still in this. We're still in this. We haven't quite flipped here. All right, our blues, or sorry, our small lines flip, so we'll close that one up for a loss as well. And on to the next. Which is a, oh, nope, just kidding, next day. Okay, so red day there. 1 win or 2 losses, minus 3870. 31,370 is our total after 20 days. 2201. Feel like like this needs to move just a little bit. There. Okay. No data select. Oh, that's why it didn't go. And welcome to the stream. If you're new, feel free to ask questions or say hi in the chat. Say your best joke. What's your favorite energy drink? If you're a Biden man or a Trump man. I don't know, maybe not get into politics. Darn it. All right, close that out and go the other way. Okay, move up our standard. Okay, move up our standard again so you can get some more here. Whoa. We're actually getting a sell. So close that for a profit and go for a sell. We got some 8 o'clock craziness going. That's a result of some economic news. Oh, nice. It looks like we're going to be able to pick up some of that downward movement. Hopefully. Okay. Still bearish TNT line, so we're staying in until we can get back to our standard line. All right, and right there, blue flipped, got below our standard. We'll go ahead and close it out right there. And on to the next. Oh man, we could have got a lot more. That's okay. You can't get all of the movements. All right, that's the day. All right, so green day there. 2-1, 1880, 33,250. So 33,250 is our P&L after 21 trading days. Our next day to back test is 5/18 of 2022, May 18th. All right, have a sell first thing. Okay, our small TNT lines are opposite now, so we'll close that out and just on to the next. And we'll take a buy here. Okay, small lines are opposite again, so we'll take that loss. Okay, have a sell here. Yikes. Okay, close out for lost. I'm going to go for a buy again. sweet. Okay. Take that trade. Okay, so we were able to claw back. Still a red day. Not as bad. 35.21. All right, sell first thing. Close it out there. Since our blue flipped, on to the next. And we'll take a buy. Nice. Okay. Oh, no, we don't even need to move. Okay, now we move up our standard. Actually, our blue flipped right there, so we'll close that. So we're up over $7,000 for the day. All right, take a sell here. Close that right here since our blue had flipped. Big blue. And take a buy. Oh. Okay. Our small TNT lines flip, so we'll close that for a loss. And 3 wins, 1 loss. For a total profit of $54.60. That puts us at $37,550 after 23 trading days. So basically a month's worth. Like a longer month. And yeah, since we're loosely assuming that this is a $10,000 account, basically 1 lot for every $10,000, that's 37.5% in 1 month. Now, obviously, we're not taking into account spreads, so that's probably going to be closer to maybe like 31, 32%. Maybe not that low, 33, 34-ish. But that's good. All right, next day. 26, 2020. Oh, jeez. Sorry if I'm making disgusting sounds. I'm just getting a little stuffed up. All right, our blue tilted downward right here, so we'll take a buy. And we'll move up our standard. It's a little intimidating going for a buy after there's been some decent movement already, but really, there's no reason why I couldn't just keep going forever, you know? All right, we'll close that out since our orange isn't facing the right way anymore. So almost a $6,000 trade right there. It's awesome. We're actually getting a sell right here. Whoa, okay, so these are big candles, so we hit our max loss there. And I imagine we're going to get another sell here in just a second. Yep, right there. Let's see if we can claw back some of that. Oh, ooh, or we'll just hit our max loss again. Ouch. Okay, we're going for a buy now, so back in the direction of the trend. Okay. Move up our pseudo entry. All right, we've gained back what we've lost, so that's good. $200 trade so far. Move up our standard. See if we can get above that. All right, we are actually just going to get a sell. right here. So I'll close that out for 4,800. Go the other way. TNT lanes are still bullish, or sorry, bearish, so we're going to move our standard and see if we can get some more, which we do. TNT lines are still bearish, so we'll move our standard again. All right, now we're actually getting a buy signal, so we still close for a profit, but not as big as it was what it was. Still happy that we ended up with a green day, especially where we had 2 trades in a row that were max losses. So ending up green at the end of that is good. 1590, 39,140. So that's where we're at now. So after 24 days of back testing, we are now up 39,140. So we're doing good. All right, next day, 9/23 of 2020. Nom nom nom. Okay, we're gonna go for a sell. First thing. We're actually getting a buy now, so take a loss there and go the other way. Yikes. Oop. Our blues are now opposite, so we'll close that out for a loss as well. So kind of terrible thing to happen, but it happens every once in a while. But as long as our strategy is profitable overall, then we're willing to take the hits every once in a while. Oh, speaking of taking hits, that was a max loss. And we're still getting a buy signal. Oh, man, that hurts. Okay, close that out. Teeny profit. Let's see if we can get something to go our way here. Doesn't look like it. Okay, so just a loss of 7,900 that day. Minus 7,900. 31,240. Okay, so we're still up 31,240. 32.23. On to the next. Okay, I have a sell here. Oh, hang on. Did I have a sell? No. What? What am I doing? Our blue is not facing the right way. No, I have a buy. Hang on. Make sure I'm not screwing anything up here. What am I doing? Okay, go back to the beginning of the month. Okay, right here. Okay. Okay, I have a buy right here. I don't know what I was thinking. Okay, our dotted blue doesn't agree, so we'll close it out for a small profit. Okay, take a buy. Okay. So this is one of those scenarios where before we wouldn't close, but we are this time. That's what we're testing. See if this is better where we close where orange and big blue flip. If we just have a hard roll where we close that, that's what we're seeing is better or not, as opposed to letting that run. So let's see if that mitigates any losses there. Looks like it would. As I get a sell signal. Okay. Small TNT lines are opposite now, so we'll close that out. Okay, so I think we did mitigate a little bit of how big of a loss that one trade would have been. But we'll see when we've done our 100 days if it makes a difference. 680, we are up 30,560 overall for 26 days. Next day. Wait. Hang on. Why were we... Oh. Okay, I guess the data on this day is wonky, so we can't test that day. That was weird. It just jumped to 1140. Alright, take a sell here. Okay, close it out right there. Big blue flipped. On to the next. Take a buy. There we go. Okay, closed out right there. So we had a pretty big drawback there, but we stuck with it and ended up getting a little trade. Good little trade there. All right, take a sell. Oh, hang on. Okay, no, we're good. All right, we'll close that since our orange is no longer facing the right. We closed above the body of the previous candle and we're still below our standard line, so that's perfect. And we're going to take a buy right here. Oh, nice. Nice. 9 o'clock magic. Yeah, it wants to keep going, so we'll move up our standard. Get up there. Okay, our blue flipped. Big blue flip, so we're going to close if we can get back above our standard, which you do right there. So we'll close it out for 3,100. So $7,800 a day. Bueno. All wins. So we're back up to 38,420 after 28 trading days. Next day is actually the next day. Okay, have a sell. Mm. Oh, man. Okay, somewhere here are small lines flipped. So once that dotted blue is down, all right, we'll close that right there. I was hoping our big blue would have flipped earlier and given us the signal to get out, but we did mitigate some loss. Did we? I don't know, maybe. Going for a buy now. Yikes. Okay, our small lines flip, so we'll close that. On to the next. Onto a... onto a buy right here. Okay. Small lines flipped here, so we'll close that. And basically breaking even there. And we're going to go for sell. Okay, our blue flipped. And so we're in profit, so we'll close when we close above the bottom of the previous candle. There it is. Okay, so red day. Minus 49.20, 33.500, 6.20. Oh man. After 29 trading days, we're up 33,500. Sell first thing. TNTs are still bearish. Blue flipped. I feel like I mean, technically we are 1 cent below, but in all actuality, there's going to be spread, so we would in real life stay. Okay, we'll close that right there. Ugh. That's funny. On to the next. Okay, I have a sell right here. All right, let's see if we can get some 9 o'clock magic here. Ah, it looks like we do. I don't need another line. Okay, hang on. Right. Okay. Right here. Everything flipped on us. Okay, so we closed that for a small loss. So it basically broke even. Darn. Mm-hmm. 7/7/23. All right. let's see. Did I have a sell? No. All right, sell right here. Okay, when did our blue flip? Okay, blue flipped right there. All right, so now we will close the trade if we can post below our entry, since our blue flipped. Or we'll close it because our orange is now pointing up along with our big blue, so we'll close that and hope that it mitigates further losses. It looks like it does. Ooh, actually. I mean, would have been about the same because we're actually getting a buy signal here. Okay. Okay, so this is interesting. So blue flipped right here, and we went above our standard in the same candle, so we will close that. And we're actually getting a sell at the exact same time. Boom, boom, boom. That's a sell. Oh. Oh. That's ugly. Oh. Go back down. Oh. Oh, man, we're getting a buy? We're getting a buy into this? Oh. Okay. Yeah, let's move that up. Oh, what? Come on. No, 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 no. No! Make sure I'm not missing something here. Okay, so we moved up our standard right there. Everything's still bullish. And, yeah, darn. Hello, hold on. Hey, oh, nope. Our our small lines flipped. Okay, so we can close that one out right there. I knew something was off there. Oh, okay, well, that's a nasty day. Minus 57.80. 630. 112.22. All right, let's see how this strategy is stacking up to before we tweak the rules. So we're up 27,630 after, let's see, on line 32. What? How are we off so much? There's got to be one day here that is just seven nine. Actually had a bigger loss there. 30th, that's 7,000. Wait, what? 410.23. 411. 5,000. What am I missing? Hold on, what? 723. 826. Did I? Why do I feel like that is wrong? 3 and 2. 826. How's that 9,000? What? 8 and 3. Oh, hang on. I'm confusing myself. Okay, let me look at this. How is that one day so off? 8/26 of 2020. I want to redo that day because that does not seem right. Getting way different results here. Oh, I think I know why though. Is that 70%? Okay, that's why. But it should be the same P&L. Okay. How did I get 9,000? Is concerning. Yeah, I have the same results. This one. Okay, well, something's off there. That is interesting. Okay, well, anyway, it's just a big discrepancy between. I feel like we've been doing better. Chapter 37. 7, 7, 23. 7, 7, 23. How's it 52? Wait, where's the big? All right, where did we deviate? Pretty early. 11, 12, 20. That was minus 6,000. Minus 5,000, 1,000, 6,000. Okay, this is interesting. So I lost 1,000 here, but I gained 6,000? How? What was I doing different? Hmm. 225.21. Hmm. Oh, that could be it. No, I don't think it is, though. Maybe I was starting. Hold on. No, I wouldn't have taken a trade there. That's for sure. Okay, close that. Did I just miss this trade? What? 225, 21. What the heck? Oh, that screws everything up over here. Yeah, there was one I did a little bit different, I think. I am trying to figure out how I had a $6,000 profit on that other one. I feel like I'm missing a sheet. Oh. Where's this one? No. 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 Okay, well. Don't know how I'm getting 6,000 somehow. One loss. Oh, darn it. There's discrepancies in the way I've been backtesting. Oh man, I don't like that. That's a thing. All right, well, I guess we just continue on. Oh, I just don't understand why it's so different. Huh. Don't need that. Oh man, I'm not a fan of what's happening right now. $15.23. Oy. Seriously? Man. You guys hear that? 2 and 3. 921. Gotta sell. I'm getting knocked out here. Oh, no, actually, closed out for a profit there. Darn. $114.22. Hmm. Actually, should have gotten out a lot earlier here. Right. There. Jeez. Ah, darn, that's annoying. gosh, what the freak? Okay. Okay. I'm still streaming. Give a lesson. Oh. Okay, well, let me know. I can hop off if I need to. What is going on here? Okay, took a buy. Alright, and I need to get out because these are opposite now. Okay, down day. Oh, what the heck? Uh, 37,490. So after 43 days of back testing, we are up 37,490. Door. Thank you. Come on, get back down. Ah, come on. Looks like news would have helped us out there. Just not getting any. Oh, well, hang on. There's a buy. Okay. 2 wins, 1 loss. 32.90. We are now up 40,780 after 44 trading days. World 211.21. There we go. Oof. There's a buy. Orange up, big blue up, dotted blue down. That's buy signal. The opposite is a sell signal. Oh, don't need to do that twice. Jeez, what a roller coaster that would be. Get back up, get back up. Hey, there's a good one. All right, basically broke even that day. So 41,020 is our P&L after 45 trading days. Back testing 45 trading days. What am I doing? Where was that? That was right there. There we go. Now we move it. Okay, take profit right there. It's a good one. Have a sell here. There's not a good one. Take profit there. Closed above the body of the previous candle. TNT line's no longer saying that it wants to keep going, so it's our signal to get out. Wow, that's a roller coaster trade too. Up 10-5 so far. Now we're probably going to give some back here, I'm going to guess. Maybe. Let's get back above our standard line. Yeah, I knew we were going to give some back there. Okay, not the worst. But, yeah, I kind of thought that was going to happen. So 91, that was a good day. So we're up 50,170 after 46 trading days. So yeah, not bad. Oh, let's see how this compares to. All right, so 347, 323.47. So 77 compared to. Something just seems off about my previous back test. If you're just joining, basically what I'm doing is I tweaked an exit rule compared to what we've been doing to see if it helps. Gives us a little bit better, just help mitigate some of the bigger losses. It's kind of what we're looking to do here. This is 100% indicator-based trading. I guess there's a little bit of price action stuff going on, but not really with our exit strategy. 11:25:21's next. Oh, goodness. Wow. Well, of course, it makes its way back up. Oh, jeez. Close that out right there. If we were using the old strategy, we would have been stuck in that one for until right there. We're actually getting a sell now. Close that right there. My thin lines are opposite from when we entered, so that's our one of our entries or signals to close our trade no matter what. There's a buy. Wow, these are small candles. There's a sell. No, not yet. Okay, there it is. All right, so small loss that day. $6.15.23. There's a buy. Oh. These are the trades that strategy is supposed to find. Or the movements, rather. See if we can keep going here. Okay, everything flipped. Okay, we close out right here. We're actually going to take a sell now. Okay, so that was an $8,800 trade. Yikes. And it wanted to keep going up, I guess. Get back down. It's got to be pulled back eventually. After we hit our max stop, of course. And we're going to go for a buy again, supposedly. And now it goes down. That's how it be. Okay, now we're closing that, going for a sell now. Okay, here we go. Kind of sad we gave up pretty much that massive trade. And close that out. But, whatever, it's a green day. We'll take a green day over a red day, even if we gave pretty much everything back. Okay, we're up 50,300 after backtesting 48 trading days. And again, these are randomly generated days. Take a sell here. Okay, let's get back below our standard line here. We'll close it. Oh, God. Oh, okay. All right. Or we'll close it right there for a small loss and go for a buy going the other way. Okay, close that one out. I'm going to go for a sell here, right there. Close that one there. Okay, 2 winners and a loss. 52, 970, 9, 10, 21. New rules are telling us to get out right here. Okay, get out and go the other way. Oh, come on, get back down. Okay, getting the signal to get out, cut the rope. All right, red day there. Mm-hmm. So 50,590 after 50 trading days. So we're halfway there. 12, 15, 21. Whoa. And of course, it stops right when we get in. Double check, make sure my entry was still good. Yep. All right, getting a buy there. Okay, hopped in there at the perfect time. Okay, we'll close it out right there since our blue flipped, our big blue. Oh, and we're getting a sell. Yep, sell signal. Beautiful. Oh, what? Gross. Absolutely nasty. Close that and go for a buy. Oh, and then that one loses? Seriously? Seriously getting another buy signal there? Oh, God. Alright. I guess we're just in this one for a minute. Alright. That's where we cut the rope right there. Gosh dang. 122. Okay, there's a sell. Yeah, close that. There's a buy. Okay, close that one out. Okay. There's a buy. Okay, close that and go the other way. Oh, terrible. What? In 10 minutes. You're what? That's random. Hmm. Okay. Well, let me wrap this up. Hi. I prefer you take her for a few minutes while I'm wrapping up. Come on, get down. All right, cut the rope there. Okay, there's a buy. Yikes. 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 Oh, hang on, hang on. All right. Another signal to cut the rope right there. And we're getting a buy. All right, come on. Oh, why is it doing us so dirty? Oh, 10, 18, 21. All right, this is probably going to be the last day we back test, so let's see if we can get a good one. There's a sell. Okay, our blue flips, so we'll close it out since we went back under our entry there. And right... Oop, nope, no buy. We do right here, though. After we miss all that big movement. Okay, let's just make it back above our entry and close it. If it'll even give us that. Nope. Tell us to cut the rope. Come on, last day's got to be a good one. There's a sell. And then I'll get a signal to buy. So close our sell, take a buy. Goodness gracious. Yeah, that is just bad price action. That is just chop city. Oh no, get up. Up. No, 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 don't ruin it. Okay. Alright, well, last day was a red day. That happens. Okay, so we are, after 54 trading days, up 46,170. Our peak was 52,970. And I think our biggest drawdown was from 22.6 to, yeah, 12.1. So about $10,000 drawdown. Let's see, 35. Is there a bigger one somewhere? I don't think so. Yeah, about $10,000 drawdown so far is their biggest drawdown. And our peak, again, like I said, is 52,970. And we're currently at 46,170 after 54 trading days, and we are gonna get 100 days of this. See if we can get better results than what we had before we tweaked a couple rules. And if we don't, then we know that the original rules we had in the first place were better than what we're doing right now. So, in which case, we'll just stick to those. But for now, I do have some other obligations. So, in the meantime, I would love if you liked and subscribe. And if you want to see me finish out this back testing, hit the bell too so you can get a notification when I'm live again. Again, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe if you want to learn more about day trading. I'll see you next time.